Integrating Zoom with GoHighLevel streamlines your scheduling and video conferencing processes. Follow these steps to set up the integration. Access integration settings. Log into your GoHighLevel account. Navigate to Settings, Integrations. Connect Zoom. Locate the Zoom integration option and click Connect. You'll be redirected to the Zoom sign-in page. Enter your Zoom credentials and authorize the connection. Configure calendar settings. After connecting Zoom, go to Settings, Calendars. Select the calendar you want to associate with Zoom meetings. Under Calendar Settings, find the Connections section. Click Add New and choose Zoom as the video conferencing option. Set Zoom as default meeting location. Within the calendar settings, set Zoom as the default meeting location. This ensures that all new appointments automatically generate unique Zoom links. Test the integration. Schedule a test appointment to confirm that a Zoom meeting link is generated and included in the confirmation details.